Hello students, how are you? I was being asked to recommend a portfolio for 60 years old. So I selected few stocks with the high PE as well as with the low PE, and about these 16 stocks. And then there was a question also that if the age is 30, which 5 stocks? I recommended a portfolio about Nifty 50 diversified portfolio investment about 35%, multi-cap 20%, balance for 30%, gold 10% and silver 5%. Overall, this portfolio also has given us a very smart return. Now let's visit what all stocks were being recommended for a 60 years old investor. Here these stocks are Nestle, Britannia, Hindustan Unilever, P&G, Colgate, Gillette, IRFC, PFC, REC, IOCL, HPCL, BPCL, Coal India, Vedanta, NMDC. And what are the returns today? Here we are. Out of this list, 3 stocks outperformed. They delivered more than 200%. Our IRFC return is near to 273%. Outperformed. These 3 stocks has given strength to this portfolio. And the stocks which delivered somewhere near to 50% or so are IOC, BPCL, HPCL, Coal India, and as well as NMDC, which delivered near to 85%. So these 4 stocks again given strength to the portfolio. Colgate India and even Gillette, they were very close to or above 50% return. So IOCL, BPCL, HPCL, Coal India, NMDC, Colgate and Gillette also performed very well, near to or above 50% return. 3 stocks delivered somewhere near to 25%. Nestle, Britannia and P&G. These 3 stocks delivered somewhere near to 25%. And Hindustan Unilever, there was no return, about 2% return, but there is a stock in the list, Vedanta, which delivered negative 10% return. Say if I talk about overall return of the portfolio, that is somewhere near to 80%. 80% is the return of the portfolio in last 9-10 months. I have taken starting point as investment time March 31st, 2023 and today. So 80% is for almost 9 months. So overall, it will be much higher. My question is, what is the annual return if the return is 80% for the 9 months? With these words, lots of love, blessing, happy trading, happy investing to all my students, and wish you a great, successful, prosperous, wealthy, healthy New Year 2024.